Hi everyone, I'm Barbara, and today I want to talk about something we all feel but don't always say out loud, about loneliness and how it changes when someone close to us isn't around like they used to be. Have you ever had a friend you saw like every day? Someone will laugh at your jokes, shared secrets, and just made school feel easier, brighter, and funnier. And then, one day, things change. You don't see them every day anymore. You only meet for an hour a couple times a week, send messages, text on a screen, and even though they reply, it's different. It's quiet. You miss the sound of the voice in the hallway, the random jokes that only made sense when you were together. You feel like a part of your day is missing. I remember when this happened to me. I have a friend who I grew up with. Yes. Our parents are very good friends. We still travel together several times a year, and we've known each other since we were babies. And we became classmates in the 5th grade, actually. Then our connection became even more stronger. Until 9th grade, she changed schools, and I did know that this was going to be a little sad for me, but I did not know that this was going to be so hard for me. After the first day of this school year, I was very confused and so scared. Even though I had someone to talk to share things with, it didn't feel the same at all. There only was one thought in my head: will I feel like this for the whole year? I cried a lot because I had never felt such a feeling as loneliness, and I never realized how much those little moments with my best friend meant until they were just gone. But here's the thing: friendship isn't just about being together physically. It's about caring. It's about sending that message even if it feels small. It's about remembering that even when if life pulls us apart, the connection doesn't have to disappear. So finally now, I can see that this change brought me many good things, like new people, new friends, challenges, and I appreciate the friendship between me and my best friend even more now, how beautiful it is, and how it will never end even if there are difficulties. And I understand that. So, next time when you miss a friend, share a moment, share a memory, send that text, make a call, because even a small note can fill a big silence. And maybe, just maybe, but it can bring back a little piece of that everyday closeness you thought was gone. Thank you.